Hi guys! Ngayon isi-share ko yung reflection ko tungkol sa binahagi ni Sir Gerald Balot noong December 6, 2024. Ang tema niya ay I wonder as I wonder. John 1 verse 11. On coming to the house, they saw the child with his mother Mary, and they bowed down and worshipped him. They then opened their treasure and presented him with gifts. May tatlo itong point. The number one is the great condescension, to lower oneself to a level not normally occupied physically, mentally, or socially, to descend voluntarily to the level of another person, to the graciously willing to do something regarding. Nagpakumbaba ang Diyos para sa ating. The world become flesh, made his dwelling among us. We have seen his glory, the glory of the one and only Son, who came from the Father, full of grace and truth. Nagkatawang tao at tinanggap ang pagiging tao at tinanggap niya ang limitasyon sa ating mga buhay. The number 2 point, the amazing discovery. As we reflect on the amazing discovery, kamanghamanghang pagtuklas ng pagkakatawang tao, maaari tayong maging inspirasyon na mamuhay sa karapat-dapat na pagmamahal na ipakita sa atin ng Diyos. Maaari tayong magsikap na gawing mas mapagmahal sa iba, kung paano ang Diyos ay mahabagin at mapagmahal sa atin. Maaari din tayong sikaping ibahagi ang mabuting balita sa pagkakatawang tao sa iba upang makaranas din nila ang pag-asa na kagalakan na dulot nito. The number 3 point is the starting revelation. No one has ever seen God, but the one and only Son, who himself God and his closest relationship with the Father has made him known. That's all. Thank you for watching.